Honeybees. They're more than just tiny insects buzzing around. These incredible creatures are nature's hardest workers, essential to our planet's health. In just 3 minutes, let's dive into their fascinating world and discover why honeybees are vital for life as we know it. Honeybees live in highly organized colonies, with each bee having a specific job. From the queen bee, who lays up to 2,000 eggs a day, to the worker bees that gather nectar, build the hive, and even guard it. Everyone plays a role in the hive's success. Did you know that a single worker bee makes just 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime? It might not seem like much, but together, the hive can produce up to 60 pounds of honey a year. So, how do honeybees turn nectar into honey? First, they use their straw-like proboscis to suck nectar from flowers. Then, back at the hive, they pass the nectar between their mouths, mixing it with enzymes to break it down. Finally, they store it in hexagonal wax cells and fan it with their wings to evaporate the water, turning it into the golden honey we all love. And here's a fun fact: honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of edible honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old. But honey isn't the only thing bees give us. Honeybees are essential pollinators. By transferring pollen from one flower to another, they help plants produce fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Over 75% of the crops we eat, like apples, almonds, and berries, depend on pollinators like honeybees. Without them, our plates and our lives would look very different. And did you know bees can communicate? They perform a unique waggle dance to show other bees where to find the best flowers. It's like their own GPS system. Another amazing fact: a honeybee's wings beat about 200 times per second, allowing them to fly up to 15 miles per hour. Sadly, honeybees face serious threats from pesticides, habitat loss, and climate change. Without them, our ecosystems and our food supply are at risk. But you can help. Planting bee-friendly flowers, avoiding harmful pesticides, and supporting local honey producers are simple ways to protect these vital pollinators. Honeybees may be tiny, but their impact is enormous. They're the unsung heroes of our world, working tirelessly to keep our ecosystems thriving. So the next time you see a bee buzzing by, remember, it's not just collecting nectar, it's keeping the planet alive. Enjoyed this video? Share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating stories from the natural world.